have tested Doogee products before, and they are great budget products. Today, we are going to check Doogee last budget smartwatch, the CR1 Pro, with built-in GPS and 5 ATM water resistant, great for sports. Welcome to the review of the CR1 Pro smartwatch. Thiago here. Welcome back, or welcome. If it's not the case, let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If it's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. Will help the channel. With this said, let's start the review of the Doogee CR1 Pro smartwatch. Starting with the price, the CR1 Pro has a price tag of $59.99 at the time of recording this video. So, this is a budget price. But, is the CR1 Pro any good? Well, check the full review to find out. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Now that the price is out of the way, let's see what is in the box. So, you have a Type A USB charger with 2 magnetic pins, nothing new here, and the manual. The CR1 Pro comes with a silicone strap and has a nice design. The feeling on your hand is that you have a premium watch, and a well-made one as well. The CR1 Pro dimensions are 45 by 45 by 11.5 millimeters and weighs 46.5 grams, with a 22 millimeter strap width. The body is made of ceramic and plastic, and that gives you the feeling of a more expensive watch. The screen is a 1.28 inches TFT round display with a nice numeric bezel. On the right side, you have 2 buttons. The top one is the on and off button that works to go into the menu and to come off the menu, with a nice red line. The bottom button is used to go into the workout menu. On the back, you have the magnetic contacts to charge the CR1 Pro on the bottom, and on the center, the sensors. And because we are talking about the sensors, let me tell you what sensors the CR1 Pro have together with the features. So, we have built-in GPS, not normally seen on a budget watch, real-time sport heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, 5 ATM water resistance, Bluetooth 5.0, 14 sports mode, with swimming mode, again, not normally seen on a budget watch, ceramic body, a large 300 mAh battery, sleep monitoring, and you have support for Android and iOS using the app Very Fit. And now, because we have some nerds watching the video, and thanks for that, let's see some of the hardware information. So, the G sensor is the Nordic NRF 52840. The PPG heart rate sensor is the STK8321. The touch chip is the PAH8009, and the screen is the COG 716S. The pairing process is easy and straightforward using my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Connects first time without any problems. The app is easy to use, but more in the app later on the video. The CR1 Pro has a great round screen with a 1.28 inches TFT full touch screen. It's clear and bright enough. You'll be able to read all the notifications on your watch. It has a resolution of 240 by 240, and although it's bright enough, like I said, please don't forget that it's not an AMOLED screen, so outside during the sunlight, sometimes you will struggle. the CR1 Pro doesn't have a speaker or a microphone. Navigating through the menus is simple and fast. The CR1 Pro is very responsive, and after using it for a few hours, you'll be used to all the menus. Next, let's see the tracking features. So, you have SpO2 tracking, all-day heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, one of the more important in my opinion, just because for a healthy life, you need to rest your body, and because this watch has a GPS built-in and is 5 ATM water resistant, you have 14 sports mode. This makes this budget watch very complete in my opinion. Just before we see some of the sports mode, let me tell you that you can control the music using the CR1 Pro. You have 14 sports mode, and this is a great on a budget watch. You have outdoor running, cycling, pool swimming. These ones are the most important for me, and being able to get them with a full GPS tracking on a budget watch is great. The next one, the battery. The battery is always good on a budget watch, and that is because they don't have as many sensors like the more expensive ones. But the CR1 Pro has GPS, for example, and still managed to have a good battery life, with the watch taking less than 2 hours to fully charge and 49 days on standby mode. And you'll be able to use it for a full week without needing to charge it. And this is the last part of the video. If you made it until here, many thanks for watching it. The app, very fit, a simple app but with all the information that you will need. The first tab, Home, is where you will find all your health data, like steps, sleeping data, stress data, and so on. The next tab is the Exercise tab, where you will find all the information about your workouts and you can see all the GPS recordings. Next one, Device, and here you'll be able to change your watch, faces, and all the settings about the watch. The last one is My, where you can set up your goals and check for updates, for example. A very complete app for a budget watch. And that's it guys, this was my review on the Doogee CR1 Pro GPS smartwatch, a watch with a great design and build quality, with GPS built-in and 5 ATM water resistant, all the tracking features that you find on a more expensive watch, and 14 sports modes for a sports partner for sure. All of this at a budget price, so don't forget to check the link on the video description. Thiago here, wishing you a great day with your family and friends, and I will catch you on the next one.